Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to be talking about a very exciting project called Kizuna. Kizuna is the first ERC20 token generated by Decentralized AI. So that's a very interesting project, and I am going all over that here in a minute. But before we get started, remember, I am not a financial advisor. Anytime you guys invest in projects like this or any other crypto project that I make videos for you, do so at your own risk. There's no way I can guarantee the success of any crypto project. I just like to bring these opportunities onto my channel and let you guys do your own research to find out if it's something you want to invest in. And with that being said, let's get into it. So as you can see, Kizuna is generated via Bittensor AI. Kizuna is a decentralized autonomous perpetual community created with the principles of unity, self-determination, and collective self-accountability. It is 100% fully decentralized. There are no central teams or authorities controlling the project. Instead, the Kizuna crew community takes charge of decision-making and governance, empowerment and security. The irrevocable burn of 100% of the liquidity pool. Additionally, 50% of the total supply has been allocated to Ryoshi, embodying our commitment to equal distribution. Tax-free transactions. Enjoy the benefits of zero taxes on all transactions. Complete decentralization on all fronts. Kizuna Tensor. Experience the capabilities of Kizuna with AI-powered image and text generation through Kizuna Tensor. And of course, you can join their community. Now down here we have fee burns. It says liquidity is locked forever in a smart contract that collects Uniswap v3 trading fees. Kizuna tokens are periodically burnt to this address. As you can see, 3.05% of supply attained. Now down here we have information about Kizuna Tensor. It says leveraging Bittensor. Powered by decentralized mining in the TAO network, Kizuna Tensor combines advanced AI technology with blockchain rewards. AI image and text telegram bot. Unlock the power of the Kizuna Tensor, the cutting-edge image and text generator fueled by Bittensor. Exclusively utilizing Corcel. Kizuna Tensor is able to generate text and images with exceptional quality due to the Corcel integration. And then we have Lovelace coming soon. It says residing on Bittensor. In an era where change is at the forefront of our collective consciousness, Kizuna Guardians are together embarking on a path with an ambition to redefine the boundaries of decentralized AI. Lovelace is a first implementation of this mission, an open platform for discovery. Lovelace stands as an open platform, inviting all who are curious and passionate about the infinite possibilities of AI-assisted code. It is designed to drive perpetual improvement and fine-tuning of AI models trained on pure code datasets, accessible technical expertise for all. With Lovelace, anyone, regardless of their technical background, can tap into globally unbeatable coding assistance, leveling the playing field and fostering a more opportunistic, decentralized world. So guys, if you have any questions regarding the project, I highly suggest you join them on socials. Then go in there and ask the question. I am sure an admin will answer you, or someone in the community will help answer your questions. That's the best way to do it. Don't just guess. If you have any questions that you want answer, just ask them. This is the reason why they have a Telegram in a community, so that you can get involved. So hopefully you learned something in this video. I hope this project is going to do very well. All the links related to this project will be below this video in the description box. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment below to help our channel grow. See you next time.